1/2 pound of Tannerite with a golf ball on top of it. Will it explode? Couldn't find the golf ball on the last one, so we got another one here. Well, it's already in the Pop-Tart box with the golf ball taped on top, and we're gonna see if we can find the golf ball this time. Still can't find the golf ball, so now we have, what is this? Sure shot, a golf ball, and a Sprite can. I think if we can find the Sprite can, maybe we can find the golf ball. Don't know if you guys caught that, but the last idea didn't work, so now we have a golf ball to the left, to the right, and on top. Hope this one goes well. Well, the last idea didn't work, so now we have a golf ball to the left, to the right, and on top. Hope this one goes well. Well, you guys got to see the explosion, about how far away you were, and we're all the way over here. This golf ball is perfectly intact. That's it.
Is it hot?
Not hot at all. So, as long as you're standing to the left or to the right of Tannerite, you'll be alright. Nah, I'm just kidding.